Right now, I'm sitting at a tea stall at the roadside. The rain is pouring, and life feels simple yet full of meaning. This tea stall, this rain, these are everyday things for many of us, yet they hold powerful lessons. Notice how even with the rain, the tea stall owners keep going, serving customers with a smile. It's a reminder that life doesn't pause when challenges come, it moves forward. Like this small tea stall, let's keep going no matter how tough the weather. This rain, it teaches us patience. We wait for the storm to pass, knowing better days are ahead. Oftentimes, in small moments, like sipping tea in the rain, is where happiness lives. If you feel stuck or overwhelmed, just remember this moment the rain, the tea, and the tea store. And remind yourself to always keep going. Life is made beautiful by these small moments. We need to embrace them. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more motivation from everyday life.